how to do medium knotless, no rubber band method for beginners. Professionals, if you feel like you could do it better than me, make your own video. Okay, so first you're going to rat tail comb, part in the middle going straight across. Then you're going to part the hair at the top up and down. Then take your extension and place it vertically and start braiding the real hair for your knotless beginning. Okay, you see how I'm taking the hair and I'm braiding it on top of the extension? So you're going to braid on top of the extension and you're going to braid it at least 2 or 3 times before you go in and add the extension. I'm showing it real slow right here because I know some people say I need to show it slower. So this is what I'm doing. All right. So you're going to take one side and you're going to split it in half. You're going to take the bottom piece and you're going to feed it in just like how you see in this video here. Okay, braid it one time and then take the other side and take a piece from that side and you're going to feed it in. And then you're going to braid it one time and repeat. Take the last piece on the left side, braid it one time. Take the last piece on the other side and feed it in like that. All right. So from here on out, it's going to be easy peasy. All you have to do is just neatly braid the hair straight down. And don't forget, if the ends are frizzy, then you might want to take some jam or something and you kind of like, you know, pull it through to the end so you can straighten the hair out some, so your braid won't have those little fuzzies in your braids. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. I use the yellow jam extra hold, by the way. All right, so you're going to braid all the way down. And this braid look a little different from the other ones because I'm still learning as well. But yeah, this is pretty much for beginners, and congratulations.